Smoking is basically paying money to slowly sabotage your own lungs while pretending it looks cool. And here is the kicker. The moment you quit, your body starts fixing itself in just 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. That is less time than it takes to microwave a frozen pizza. Your blood pressure drops, your pulse calms down, and your hands and feet start warming up like they finally got the memo that you are done with cigarettes. Welcome to Think. In this video, we are going to break down exactly what happens to your body when you quit smoking. From the instant benefits to the long-term health wins, you will see how your body is basically a superhero waiting to be unleashed. And do not worry, I will keep it simple, clear, and maybe throw in a joke or two, because health education does not have to sound like a boring lecture. Let us be real. Quitting smoking feels like trying to wrestle a bear while wearing flip-flops. Nicotine withdrawal is rough. You get cravings, mood swings, and sometimes you feel like chewing on furniture. Many smokers fear that quitting will be too painful or that the damage is already done. But here's the truth. Your body is way tougher than you think, and the healing process starts faster than your brain can say, "I need a cigarette." Let us break down the timeline because this is where things get interesting. 20 minutes after quitting, blood pressure and heart rate drop back to normal. 12 hours later, carbon monoxide levels in your blood return to normal, meaning your body can finally breathe properly again. 2 weeks to 3 months, circulation improves, lung function increases. Walking upstairs no longer feels like climbing Mount Everest. 1 to 9 months, coughing and shortness of breath decrease. Your lungs start cleaning themselves like a self-service car wash. 1 year later, your risk of heart disease is cut in half compared to someone still smoking. 5 years later, stroke risk drops dramatically. Your body basically says, "I am back in business." 10 years later, risk of dying from lung cancer is about half that of a smoker. 15 years later, risk of heart disease is the same as someone who never smoked. That is not just recovery. It is a comeback story worthy of a Hollywood movie. Here is the big moment. Around the 1-year mark, your risk of heart disease drops by 50%. That is huge. Imagine cutting your risk of one of the leading causes of death in half just by saying goodbye to cigarettes. Your body is basically flexing at this point, showing off how resilient it really is. It is not just about your lungs and heart. Quitting smoking also helps your brain. Studies show that smoking is linked to anxiety and depression. When you quit, your mood stabilizes, your stress levels drop, and you stop planning your life around smoke breaks. Plus, you save money. And let us be honest, nothing feels better than realizing you can afford more than instant noodles because you stopped burning cash on cigarettes. To sum it up, quitting smoking is like hitting the reset button on your health. Your body heals faster than you expect, your risk of deadly diseases drops dramatically, and your quality of life skyrockets. Yes, the cravings are tough, but the payoff is massive. Get more energy, better breathing, improved mood, and a longer life. If you found this breakdown helpful, check out our video on tips for successfully quitting smoking. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Did you quit cold turkey, or did you use a plan? Share your story because someone out there needs to hear it. And of course, subscribe to Think for more content that makes health simple, clear, and maybe a little funny.